Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's been blowing up lately, Web3. Now, I know what you're thinking. Web3, blockchain, crypto, it all sounds complicated, right? But trust me, once we break it down, it'll all make sense. We're going to take it step by step from the very basics of what Web3 actually is to the different ways you can get involved, even if you're starting with absolutely $0. That's right, you don't need a stack of cash to get started in this space. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a solid understanding of Web3, but you'll also have a good idea of how to potentially turn your knowledge into some serious gains. We're talking about the potential to make $50,000 in just 1 year. Sound interesting? Then stick around. Alright, so let's start with the big question. What exactly is Web3? In the simplest terms, Web3 is like the internet's glow-up. Web 2 is all about social media giants and centralized platforms. Web 3 shifts power back to users, making the internet more decentralized and transparent. One key technology behind Web 3 is blockchain. Think of blockchain like a digital ledger spread across many computers. It records transactions securely and transparently, without a middleman. We're witnessing the birth of a new internet, more equitable and empowering for everyone. Now that you've got a basic understanding of what Web3 is all about, let's dive into some of the key areas where all the action is happening. Think of Web3 like a massive playground with different sections, each offering its own unique set of games and activities. First up, we have DeFi, short for decentralized finance. DeFi is all about recreating traditional financial systems like lending, borrowing, and trading, but without the need for banks or other intermediaries. Imagine being able to take out a loan or earn interest on your savings without ever stepping foot in a bank. That's the power of DeFi. Then there are NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are like digital collectibles that are unique and can't be replicated. Think of them like rare trading cards, but instead of physical cards, they exist on the blockchain. NFTs can represent anything from digital art and music to virtual real estate and in-game items. And let's not forget about DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs are like internet-native communities that are governed by their members. Imagine a group of friends coming together to pool their money and decide how to spend it. But instead of meeting in person, they do it all online using blockchain technology. These are just a few examples of the many exciting areas within the Web3 ecosystem. It's a constantly evolving landscape, with new innovations and opportunities emerging all the time. So how do you navigate this vast and sometimes overwhelming world? Well, that's exactly what we'll be covering in the next chapter. Okay, so you're probably wondering, all of this sounds great, but do I need a ton of money to get started with Web3? And the answer is a resounding no. You can absolutely dive into the world of Web3 without spending a dime. Remember, this space is all about accessibility and empowering individuals. One of the best ways to get started is simply by learning. There are tons of free resources available online, from articles and blog posts to YouTube videos and podcasts. Start by immersing yourself in the world of Web3, understanding the different concepts, and identifying areas that pique your interest. Another great way to get involved is by joining online communities. There are countless Web3 communities on platforms like Twitter, Discord, and Telegram, where you can connect with like-minded individuals, ask questions, and learn from more experienced members. Many of these communities even offer opportunities to earn small amounts of cryptocurrency by completing tasks, participating in discussions, or creating content. Think of it like earning rewards points for being an active and engaged member. Don't underestimate the power of networking in the Web3 space. Building relationships with other enthusiasts can open doors to new opportunities, whether it's getting early access to promising projects, collaborating on exciting ventures, or simply gaining valuable insights and advice. Remember, everyone in the Web3 space was once a beginner. So don't be afraid to ask questions, reach out to people, and get involved. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. Now that you've dipped your toes into the Web3 waters, let's talk about how to turn your knowledge and involvement into actual earnings. Remember that $50,000 goal we talked about? Well, here's where things start to get interesting. One popular way to earn in the Web3 space is through contributing to projects. Many blockchain projects are constantly looking for talented individuals to help with tasks like development, marketing, design, and community management. The best part? These contributions are often rewarded in the project's native cryptocurrency. It's like getting paid to work on something you're passionate about, while also potentially benefiting from the project's future success. Another lucrative avenue is staking. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency holdings to help secure the network and validate transactions. In return for your contribution, you earn rewards in the form of more cryptocurrency. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but with potentially much higher returns. And of course, we can't forget about NFTs. If you're creative, you can create and sell your own NFTs, whether it's digital art, music, or even just cool designs. The NFT market can be volatile, but it's also a place where you can potentially make a lot of money if you create something that resonates with people. The key is to find what you're good at and leverage those skills in the Web3 space. Whether it's writing, coding, designing, or simply being an active and engaged community member, there are countless ways to monetize your skills and passions in this rapidly growing ecosystem. How do you reach that $50,000 goal in 1 year? Consistency is key. Stay up to date on trends and technologies. Dedicate time daily to learning and networking. Take calculated risks and leverage community power. Stay patient and persistent. The potential for growth is enormous. By staying informed and taking action, you might just surprise yourself. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide has given you a solid understanding of Web3, from its core principles to the practical ways you can start earning. Remember, you don't need to be a tech whiz or a millionaire to succeed in this space. With a little bit of curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a dash of hustle, you can position yourself for some serious gains in the exciting world of Web3. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. See you in the next one. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next one.